Alright, so today I'm making macaroni and cheese. No icky box stuff, no way. I've got my macaroni on boil. I'm about to fry some bacon. And as you can see, I already pre-cut the bacon here. And it's just going to take a nice quick fry so I can put in the macaroni and cheese. I've got my garlic and my butter. Now, for my cheese, I'm going to use some Murray's naked goat cheese, some Havarti, Gouda, Colby, and Monterey Jack. So as you can see, this is going to be a lighter flavored macaroni and cheese than using extra sharp cheddar. All right? Yeah. So I'm running cold water over my noodles, and that's going to stop them from cooking. And get them ready to put in the pan with our cheese, Havarti, Monterey Jack, Colby, Gouda, and my Murphy's Naked Goat, adding garlic, butter, and my bacon. Okay, so my oven is preheating at 350, and what I'm going to do is I am going to take some of the butter that I haven't cubed, and I'm going to butter the bottom of the pan, as you can see. Then I'm going to put in some macaroni. And as you can see, I've cubed the cheese and I've actually cubed some butter. So, throw in some butter. Throw in some cheese. Some more macaroni. The bacon. Some garlic. Some more cheese. Yep, just clumps of cheese, and then you just keep layering. Butter, cheese, macaroni, bacon, garlic. Alright, here you go. And so the last step before we put it in the oven is just to pour in a little bit of milk to make sure once it melts it all stays nice and creamy. So you've got the butter, you've got the milk, and you've got the melted cheese. Okay, and then we're going to put it in the oven 350 for initially about 20 minutes just to see how much everything is melted, and then we'll check on it every 5 minutes from there. And into the oven they go. I did put a little bit of pepper on top of it simply because I like pepper on my macaroni and cheese. So how do you know the macaroni and cheese is finished? It has this beautiful brownish orangish color on top. And then here are the two with the bacon. Okay guys, bon appetit.